Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a Jeep muffler project. We got a '01 Jeep Grand Cherokee here, and it's in need of a muffler replacement, and I'm going to show you that today. Okay, so this is the muffler that was on it. As you can see, it's from a Volvo. And it's rusty, and it wasn't even welded on or clamped on. It was just sort of pushed on, and it was leaking out the front and the back of the connections on the pipes, and it just didn't sound very good. And so anyway, what I'm going to be putting on is this one here, which I pulled off of a Ford Econoline 150 with a Triton V8 from the junkyard. Cost 15 bucks. And we're going to see how that sounds. Should sound better than the Volvo, which is kind of small, and like I said, it wasn't hooked on very well and didn't sound very good either. So I'm going to clean this up and weld it on. The pipe size should fit perfectly on the stock pipes, and so we'll be back. Okay, so I've cleaned off a lot of the surface rust off this van muffler here with a flap disc on a grinder and some wire wheels on a drill. And I'm going to give it a coat of high heat barbecue paint here, and we'll let that dry and come back. I was going to stand this up on end in the snow to dry, but man, this stuff dries pretty quick. So that's good. Okay, it's in, and you can hear what it sounds like installed. So there it is. That's a Econoline 150 muffler on a Jeep 4-liter. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like it. Thanks.